Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide Pro. Today, we're going to walk you through how to regain access to your Discord account if you can't use the email address linked to it anymore. Whether you've lost access or simply forgot your password, don't worry, there's a way to fix it. Let's jump right in. Start by launching the Discord app or opening the Discord site in your browser. On the sign-in screen, you'll see the usual login options. If you remember your phone number and it was previously added to your account, try signing in with that instead of the email. If your phone number isn't connected or that doesn't work, go ahead and tap on Forgot Your Password. Discord will normally send a reset link to your email address. But since you don't have access to that inbox anymore, here's what you can try next. Head to the email service that was linked to your Discord, whether it's Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, or another provider, and see if you can recover that email account. Most services have their own password recovery tools. If you're able to get back into your email, return to Discord and request a password reset again. Still locked out? No problem. The best solution now is to contact Discord support directly. Open your web browser and type in support.discord.com. Once the page loads, tap the menu icon, usually 3 lines in the top corner, and select Submit a Request. On the form that appears, choose Help and Support from the drop-down menu. Then, fill in the fields that follow. In the email box, enter the email you previously used for the account, even if you can't get into it. Under Subject, write something short like Account Recovery Help. In the description section, clearly explain your situation. Once everything is filled out, go ahead and hit Submit at the bottom of the page. After submitting your request, keep an eye on any backup email accounts or ways the support team might reach out. They may ask you for a bit more information to verify your identity before helping you get your account back. And just like that, you've taken all the right steps to recover your Discord account without needing access to your old email. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Guide Pro for more simple and helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.